Because of the way Ar-Rahman is spelled, you see the an at the end? Ar-Rahman. Words in Arabic like Jaw'an, Atshan, Ghadban, there's other words that have an at the end also. When they have this an at the end, three things happen to that word. Three things, okay? The first thing is, it becomes very extreme. It becomes what? Extreme. So, it's not just that Allah loves and cares, or Allah is loving and caring, He's definitely being described as extremely loving and extremely caring. Unimaginably loving and imaginably caring. It's not a normal amount of love or care. It's an extreme amount. That's the first thing that happens to the word. The second thing that happens to the word is that it is happening right now. It's happening immediately. You know, if you say to somebody, man, that man is patient. MashaAllah, that man is what? Patient. Or this man is knowledgeable. Or this man is wise. Or this woman is wise. But she's sleeping right now. She's not being wise right now. She's just sleeping. She has the quality of being wise, but it doesn't come out until she says something wise or she does something wise. You understand? Just like that, when you say this man is patient, you describe someone who's not here, and you say, you know that man, he's very patient. Do you know for a fact he's being patient right now? No. But when you use an at the end, you're not just giving someone a quality, you're saying that that quality is happening when? Right now. He's being loving and caring right now. It's not something you have to wait for. Right now, when you say the word Ar-Rahman, then you are accepting that Allah's love and His care and His protection is extreme, and that His love and His care and His protection is showering on you when? Right now. It's happening as we speak. Allah Azza wa Jal chose this name to describe something. Allah is extremely loving and extremely caring when? Right now. But it's something you can do. Something you can do and I can do that can disqualify us from benefiting from Ar-Rahman. Isn't that scary? That it's not, you can't always benefit from it unconditionally. There can be something you can do that can what? Remove it. Get rid of it. And you know why the Sahaba understood this? The Sahaba understood this. They said Ar-Rahman is for everyone in this world. But Ar-Rahim is only for the believers in the next world. Because they understood, people do some things here, Allah keeps giving them love. Even the disbeliever who curses Allah, who makes fun of Allah's messenger, the disbeliever who mocks the Quran, who doesn't care about anything, disregards Allah in the worst ways, commits the worst sins and is proud of his or her sins. Those kind of disbelievers also, does Allah give them love? Does Allah give them care? Yeah. But they're doing something that will disqualify themselves at one point. Three qualities. Extreme, it's happening right now, and it may not be permanent for you. And the more important thing for you, Rahim actually means someone who's always loving and caring. Someone who's what? Always loving and caring. It doesn't have the right now. It has the what? Always. Now look at the mercy of Allah. If Allah only said Bismillah ar-Rahman, if He only said what? Bismillah ar-Rahman, then the love of Allah would be extreme. It would be right now, but it wouldn't be forever. If Allah said Bismillah ar-Rahim, then the love of Allah would be forever, but no guarantee that it's coming when? Right now. Allah wanted to have us understand that His love and His protection and His care is coming right now and will always be there. So what did He do? He said Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. He took care of our immediate by saying Ar-Rahman. And He took care of our future by saying what? Ar-Rahim.